The wait is finally over. Let's check out this incredible home. Welcome to this stunning 5-bedroom plus loft, 4-bath home in the coveted Riverstone community, where sophisticated design meets unparalleled comfort. Don't miss the adorable hidden play area under the stairs with its own address and front door. There's plenty of room for a pool, and the extended lanai is perfect for hosting friends and family or simply relaxing in the tranquil surroundings. The Riverstone community offers a state-of-the-art clubhouse, resort-style pool, well-equipped fitness center, splash zone, cabana seating, and more. Stay active with 5 Har-Tru tennis courts, basketball, and newly added pickleball courts, or enjoy the spacious indoor sports court. And this is Krysta Sylvester with Compass here in Naples, Florida.